Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to be showing you guys now after you've already set up your 365 account and you've already set up the users that you want to have access to your 365 environment. Then you can go ahead and access the different applications that come with your trial or your full subscription if you're paying for it. So if you come over to your Microsoft Office 365 Admin Center, and it should be at admin.cloud.microsoft, it'll bring you to this page. And then if you come over to the left, you'll see all these dots, the app launcher icon. And once you click on it, it should give you all of the different applications that you have access to with your account. So the one that we want to access is SharePoint, but you see you have access to other things too, like Outlook. So we have an email that we can access if you want to play around with Outlook. You have Word, Excel, Engage. I mean, there's so many on here, but the one that we're going to be focusing on is SharePoint. So anytime I have one of the videos that show that is specifying something on SharePoint, please access SharePoint either through your app launcher or once you get to SharePoint, you can just go ahead and bookmark it so that it brings you right to the page.